Raid on Hyundai plant in U.S. swept up workers on visitor visas. Many of the car workers arrested in a huge U.S. workplace immigration raid had violated their visitor visas, officials say. Immigration and Customs Enforcement, ICE, said 475 people, mostly South Korean citizens, were found to be illegally working at a Hyundai battery plant in the state of Georgia on Thursday. People on short-term or recreational visas are not authorized to work in the U.S., ICE said, adding that the raid was necessary to protect American jobs. South Korea, whose companies have promised to invest billions of dollars in key U.S. industries in the coming years, partly to avoid tariffs, has sent diplomats to Georgia, and called for its citizens' rights to be respected. The arrested workers were being held at an ICE facility in Folkestone, Georgia, until the agency decides where to move them next. Of those detained, more than 300 are reported to be Korean nationals. Hyundai said in a statement that none of them were directly employed by the company. LG Energy Solution, which operates the plant with Hyundai, told the BBC its top priority was to ensure the safety and well-being of its employees and partners and that it will fully cooperate with the relevant authorities. South Korea's Minister of Foreign Affairs Cho Hyun said he felt a great sense of responsibility for the arrest of our citizens, as he presided over an emergency meeting about the issue on Saturday. In a statement on Friday, the ICE office in the city of Savannah had said the raid was part of an active, ongoing criminal investigation. South Korea's foreign ministry responded to the raid with a statement saying, "The economic activities of Korean investment companies and the rights and interests of Korean citizens must not be unfairly infringed upon during U.S. law enforcement operations." The raid raises a possible tension between two of President Donald Trump's top priorities, building up manufacturing within the U.S. and cracking down on illegal immigration. It could also put stress on the country's relationship with a key ally. President Trump said in the Oval Office on Friday, "They were illegal aliens and ICE was just doing its job." Asked by a reporter about the reaction from Seoul, he said, "Well, we want to get along with other countries, and we want to have a great, stable workforce. And we have, as I understand it, a lot of illegal aliens, some not the best of people, but we had a lot of illegal aliens working there." Trump has worked to bring in major investments from other countries while also levying tariffs he says will give manufacturers incentives to make goods in the U.S. The president also campaigned on cracking down on illegal immigration, telling supporters he believed migrants were stealing jobs from Americans. The factory, which makes new electric vehicles, had been touted by Georgia's Republican governor as the biggest economic development project in the state's history, employing 1,200 people.